Buying ZEN on Guardarian is simple and secure. Jump to our homepage and let's get started. Select a fiat currency you want to exchange, and enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your exchange. Be sure to check the rates, taking the service fee and expected exchange rate into account. Ensure you have read the terms and conditions and press the button to continue. Paste your ZEN wallet address and write your phone number for SMS verification. Enter the code next. The following step is the verification of your identity. Select your preferred verification method and take a picture of your document. Then goes a facial check. We need to know you are a real person. Turn on your camera and follow the written instructions. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. After this, you'll need to manually make the payment from your bank account. Use this step to check the details one more time before finally proceeding with the payment. The process of the transaction might take some time. After we receive funds to the bank account, the coin will be sent to your crypto wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a message in the comments.